What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pepping Agimat, your BizDoc programmer. So, yeah, morning again, morning kay sa gabi wala yapon busy yapon na ginaapas. So kay nakahigayon man ko karon, sa akong gingon, we will proceed on solving LeetCode problems. So, the last time, yung last na video na ginawa ko is preparation yun for this video sa gagawin natin na problem. So, yung last na video is in-place algorithm. Tapos yung nung ano din, na-learn, okay, na-learn na lang. Yung mga natutunan natin doon, i-apply natin dito sa dito sa problem na to. So, to start, let's go to LeetCode. Yun, meron na. So, I prepare it already kay kabalo naman ko unsa ang kan, kabalo naman ko unsa ang problem. So, the problem is rotate array to the last time I show I solved the reverse array, 'di ba? Pero ito, ibang ano to, ibang specification. Given an array, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So, example, input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the k is equals to 3. The output is 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, paano naging ganyan? So, there's an explanation. Rotate one steps to the right. So, yung 7, nag-move sa front and then nag-move pa backward yung 1 to 6. And then the next step is same again. Ang yung 6 nag-move sa front and then nag-move backward tong na-change na-modify na ano, na-modify na array. The next is 5 na move sa front and then nag-backward yung the rest na modify na rin. So, because k equals 3, the rotation is 3. So, another example is input is 2, negative 1, negative 100, 3, and 99. So, the result is 3, 99, negative 1, negative 100. So, rotate one steps to the right, rotate the second steps to the right. So, try to come up as many as solution as you can. There are at least 3 different ways to solve this problem. Could you do it in with O1 extra space? So O1. So extra space raw na ano. So the last time I discussed about O1 extra space in place algorithm. So this is what they asking. It can you do it in place? So better to do it in place. So to start with, let's choose Ruby. So actually, you can do the one that creating another allocation or another that will hold the modified value in a different variable. But we will not do that. We'll proceed on the doing the in place as what I've discussed last time para ano para ma-meet natin yung O1 na extra space na na requirements. And then, sabi nila may tatlo daw ways to solve it. I have already an idea. Hindi ko alam. May idea ako, Ruby way, which is I don't really like kasi hindi mapa-practice yung how you solve it. And then, there's a lot of functions already in Ruby how to do it. But I'll show you on that way, and I'll show you my way of solving. Sige. So, let's do to the most kanang pinakauna na to na mauna-unaan. So, we have K. So, it will be repeated. Depends on the K. So, I do it by looping base of that K. So, K times do and, di ba? So, we'll see. We'll try it. Try natin. Yung alam kung tama ba yung K. Yung check ko lang kung mag-error ba to. Okay, hindi nag-error yung kala ko kasi block to. Ay, kasi may ipapasa na argument sa block. Anyhow, so to proceed, how to start with. So my um to start with on this, ano kaya? Actually, may idea ko pero hindi ko pa na-solve. So, kailangan ko pa mag-isip paano. Okay. Kasi kailangan natin mag-start sa ano? Mag-start sa huli. Because yung ano, yung yung rule is to steps to the right. So, dapat may create a variable start equals nums that length. So, para makuha yung last value, 1. And then, so dapat siya mapunta sa front. 'Di ba? Dapat i-swap ko yung ano, i-swap ko yung mga mga items na nasa array para yung start na value which is the end ng array mapupunta sa totoong start of the array. Dapat end na lang to. Ayusin natin end para hindi pwede and index na lang. Yee! Sige. And then let's loop it, do, and this one. Let's have this break if, remind yourself always to do break. Loop, do, break, and index is mm, less than or equal 0. Kasi based on index, dapat ang target natin sa yung last ay 0. Tapos, 'di ba, na-remember niyo yung last time na gumawa ako ng swap na method. Tapos ipapasok ko ipapasok ko yung end index, and then i-ano ko. Right? Pero napagtanto ko, napagtanto ko, end index, napagtanto ko na pwede nang wala ito. So, bibilisan ko. Paano to na pwede nang wala ito based sa oh, by the way, yung isang friend ko nag-comment how to do it. So, siya yung nagturo sa akin ng Ruby. So, nag-introduce at nagturo ng Ruby. So, gagawin ko yung sinabi niya sa akin na paano yung parang refactor na one-liner lang instead of using another temporary variable to swap all the value in those index. So to do it, and index nums and index minus 1 equals, so nums and index minus 1 tapos nums and index. 'Di ba? Ayoko ng n index, head na lang, tail. Yung tail. Parang ang OC ko naman. Sige na lang. Ha? Sorry na. So, sige. So, tail minus 1. So, ang mangyayari is, once na malulup, so, nums is length. For example, ito, negative 1, negative 193, and 99. The length of this is, again, is 4 minus 1 to get the last item in array. Then loop it, and then swap. This way is to swap the value of this will be placed on this value, while the value of this will be replace the value of tail minus 1. So this is the shortcut of doing the one that I did last time. Having some another temporary variable to hold the nums tails, and then to change the value of the nums tails with the nums tails minus 1, and the nums tails minus 1 will be the nums tails. So blah blah blah. And then decrement until, so 3, mag-decrement siya 2, mag-decrement siya 1, mag-decrement siya hanggang magiging 0. So this is it. Sige, we'll see kung tama ba. Judging. So, we got your answer is 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, let's submit it. Tingnan natin yung ano. Submit na lang. Submit. Submit. Ah, uh, let me see. OMG. So therefore, hindi efficient yung ginawa ko. For example, for this array, yung pag-move ko until ma-reach yung pinaka start ng array at ma-place yung nasa last, ma-rotate siya, is not efficient. Hindi siya efficient. So, tama siya, but nag-exceed ng ano, my time limit time limit exceeded. So dapat efficient siya na solution. So let's think, ayun, may solution ako kasi nag-isip na ako dito, but I'm not sure kung magwo-work ba ito. Anyhow, okay, let's do this. So, 'di ba? Ka, 'Di ba parang ano lang siya. Pero hindi kasi siya talagang ano, hindi kasi talaga efficient. Kasi kailangan from dulo to start. So, maano ka talaga, maano mo talaga. How to say this? Matatagalan ka. It takes time talaga para makapunta, especially yung ano mo, yung size ng array mo is masyadong malaki. So, let's think about yung idea ko is kasi kailangan natin ano, 'di ba? Well, kailangan natin ng nasa unahan ang nasa right. So why not reverse it, 'di ba? Why not reverse it? To reverse it, let's create a reverse array, 'di ba? Same idea before. And then what we need is sa reverse array, what we need is the nums and then the head and the tail. Tama, 'di ba? So to do it, para ma-reverse yung array, same sa ginawa natin before. So I think kailangan natin ng while head less than tail. Tama, 'di ba? So para maano siya. And then hindi na natin, siyempre gagawin natin, hindi na tayo gagawa ng swap method to handle the swapping. So reverse array um, nums head, nums tail equals nums tail, nums head. Nums head to head equals head plus 1. Tail equals tail minus 1. See? So, return niya. Pwede po, nums is a reference. Array is a reference type. So, in this part, so mari-reverse na natin to. Reverse array. Try natin ha. Nums. So head will be, head start with 0. And then tail, no. K. Kasi dapat i-reverse muna natin yung first, yung buong array. 'Di ba? Yung buong array. Actually, hindi na kailangan eh. Pwede naman. O reverse ko na lang. Sige, reverse ko na lang muna. Nums length. So, nums length minus 1. Then run it. Wrong. So, yung output is 7654321. So, tama, di ba? So, kailangan ko lang i-reverse. My next idea is, kung makikita nyo to, 7654321, i-reverse mo lang siya, depende sa K, sa value ng K. So, for example, yung value ng K is 3. So, dapat, ang i-reverse mo lang yung 765 to 567. And then, i-reverse mo na din yung 4321 to 143. Di ba? Reverse and then reverse. So, to do it, reverse natin. Oh, teka. Reverse array nums. Mag-start pa 0. Start 0. Tapos, ang tail is 3. Di ba? If I were to 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1. 0, 1, 2. So, check natin. Dapat 5. Okay. See this. 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, next is, i-reverse natin yung reverse array nums. So, sa 4, 3, 2, 1. So, ang starting ng 4, 3, 2, 1 is K. And then, nums dot length minus 1. Right? You'll see. Yun! Yeah! Ano ba tong diff, diff, diff? So, di ba? Accepted na siya. Output, 567, 1, 2, 3. 567, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang ginawa natin, ni-reverse natin para malagay sa front. And then, gumawa tayo, ni-reverse natin base sa length ng ano yung given na k value. So, doon natin yung starting ay endpoint niya. Doon natin kukunin ang endpoint niya para doon lang yung paano ba yan yung boundary niya para sa reverse. And then after that, yung next na boundary kasi na-reverse natin yung buong array is ni-reverse din natin based nung k is like for example 3, so magsa-start siya sa 3 which is 0 1 2 3 and then nums length. So I'm not hindi ako sure kung mag-ano pa ba to, mag-error pa regarding time out at time limit exceeded. So, sige lang, try natin, try. Try natin. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Well, negative 1. Lo, sabi kanina, yung yung sabi dito na where k is non-negative. Ay, tama pala, where k. Negative pa lang. Ano? If nums dot length greater than 1. Greater than 1? Tama. Kasi dapat greater than 2, then 3. Ah, okay. 2 and 3. Try nga natin mag-repel. Di ako sure pero try ko lang muna to. I'm thinking to get the remainder based on length. So for example, yung k is 3, tapos k equals k modulo of 3, 0. Modulo of 3, 0. No? Thinking of doing this kasi ma-prevent niya yung iteration that let Oo, tama, tama. Kasi kung 3 yan, tama ba? Yung modulo, modulo. So k is for example 4, k equals 4, 0 pa rin. Ay, 0 man yun. What if any k is kung sakto. Oh, sakto lagi. Sakto kay iterate raman nimo kuan. 2. Kadua ra pud nimo siya i-iterate, di ba? So parehan ng duha ka item, kay isa ra pud nimo siya ituyok. Sa katulo na item, sa katulo na item, kay isa ra pud nimo siya ituyok kay ngano? Kani siya kay isa ra nimo tuyok 2-1, di ba? Sa katulo na item, no lagi sakto lagi. Katulo na item, blah blah blah. 1 2 3. Dako. Sakto lagi sakto. Let's see. K equals k modulo nums.length. Takto ba? Let's see. Do? Lagay natin yung k. Curious ako eh. Kung tama ba. Yun! So tama, 'di ba? Tama, tama. So, runtime, we are faster than 58.78 kaso hindi siya ganun ka kabilis. Pero so far okay naman siya, 'di ba? Na-solve natin na wala yung time exceeded na ano. So, the idea is kinuha ko lang yung modulo para yung base ng k if ever na ano hindi duplicate or hindi mag-exceed sa yung pag ano niya pag loop niya hindi mag-exceed sa ano sa length of array. Kaya nakukuha niya may null na ano. So to get the modulo and then reverse the whole array and then reverse the array yung base sa k value and then reverse the rest of the array para makuha. So, okay. Hopefully na gets nyo. So to show you sa example in how to do it in Ruby way yung mga magic ng Ruby, we can do actually ito yung idea ko talaga. But ayokong gumamit nito kasi by default may ano na. So if something like the LIFO and FIFO like last in, first out, first in, first out na ano, stack and queues. So to do it, I'll show you this one. You have k times do and then will nums dot and shift and then nums dot pop. So you unshift it and then pop it to the front. Now pop it first and then unshift it. Let's run. Yeah. Yeah, 85.88 sa fastest Ruby. So, yeah. So you unshift it and then next it pop it. So pop and shift will show you something. How it works. One, two, three, four. 2, 3, 4, A. Lo, may nag-subscribe. A, unshift. Ay, first is pop. A, dot pop. So, ilalabas niya yung nasa end. Last in, first out. That's the pop. And then A that tingnan natin yung shift. Shift is first in, first out. Let's see the the unshift. Unshift for so ipapasok niya sa pinakauna. Then let's check the other one, the push. Push one ilalagay niya sa dulo. So remember, pop is to remove the item in the end of the array. Then shift is to remove the item of the first and the start of the array. And shift is to add the the item or the value in the first index of the array. Insert in the then push is to insert the value in the last index of the array. So that's how it works. So stack and queues, right? And then actually yung queue as I remember queue is a thread safe na ano, I forget with stack. So yeah, kaya di ako gumamit nito kasi hindi talaga yung practice na para sa solving ng problems hindi mo ma-appreciate kasi you're using the default ano. But this is very important. At least alam nyo, di ba? This is very important kasi yung once na nasa real world na kayo, hindi naman yung kailangan gagawa pa ng method to unship and pop, di ba? Gagamitin nyo man yan. But at least may idea kayo how to solve it, how to optimize and to do it. So, okay, the last one is this is the last one. Ruby rotate. Tingnan nyo ha. So there's a function to rotate an array. So again, a magic from Ruby. So how to do it? So for example, A, B, C, D, rotate B, C, D, A. Di ba? Ay, ba't B, C, D, A? Yung isa lang yung ni-rotate niya. Ni-rotate. Tapos kung dalawa is by default isang value lang. Pag maglagay ka ng value sa loob, magpasa ka ng ano, argument, may ano siya, may depende sa argument na ipapasa mo. So A, B. And then negative 3, so the same same to sa gusto nating gagawin. But if you notice it, if you have this one, the array is not oh, so hindi na change, hindi na mutate yung array, same pa rin. Nag-change lang siya yung nire-return lang niya pero hindi siya na mutate. So nababago yung value ng array. So same pa rin once i-ano mo. But I think I have an idea on that. Let's see. Try lang natin. Try lang natin ha. So, rotate it, rotate it in negative 2. So, dapat 3 to 5, pero so hindi siya na-change. So, I think sa Ruby may ganito na way. I think gagana to. To enforce na ma-mutate yung value na A, yung variable na A. So, 3, 1, 4, 2, and then A. Yun. Let's do this. Wala na to ah. So, disregard this one. And then, nums that rotate. Of course, given the negative. But of course, we'll force to rotate it. And then, run the code first. Ayun. Work. Work. It work. It work. 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 Yun! Same lang, 58.78. So, we solved the problem of rotate array in 4 ways. So, sabi niya, tatlo lang daw. We solved it in the 4 ways, but the first one got an error of time limit exceed. So, hopefully, hopefully may na-learn kayo ngayon na regarding how to solve problems, rotate array, and even the how to do it in place, and some functions na magic sa Ruby. But I encourage you, before you do the magic, before you search for what function is that to do blah blah blah, do it in your own knowledge lang, yung paano kaya gagawin to. If ever na mag-exceed kayo, time limit exceed, sige lang, 'di ba? At least you try to solve it na sa way na hindi gumagamit yung default functions, 'di ba? So, hopefully you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, this is Peping Agimat, your BizDoc programmer. Then see you next week for my next video. We'll continue to solve LeetCode problems, top interview question, easy collections. Goodbye!